Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel where we discuss all things real estate. My name is Audrey Rozier. I'm a real estate agent in Maryland assisting clients with the buying, selling, and renting of residential real estate. Stay tuned for today's video about 7 things you will want the seller to fix before you buy their house. So, I work with a lot of buyers that look into purchasing homes that may need a little work before they're move-in ready. And that is totally fine because you can often catch a steal and save some money when it comes to negotiating. But beware of major issues that could possibly cost you more money further down the line. Issue number 1, major electrical problems. Faulty wiring, shorts, and overloaded circuit panels can pose a serious threat when it comes to the safety of you and your family. Problems of that nature should be resolved by the seller. Minor flaws involving ceiling fans, light switches, things of that nature may be something you can solve. Issue number 2, serious plumbing problems. Major leaks, drainage issues, or problems with the sewer and septic system should be resolved by the seller. Dripping faucets or runny toilets are relatively small issues and may be left for the buyer to repair. Number 3, beware of foundation issues. Large foundation problems can mean a large expense later, as well as pose as a major safety concern. The seller should generally fix issues of that nature. Minor cracks are pretty common and may not represent a major issue that the seller will be required to repair. Issue number 4, mold. Mold is a pretty important one. It could be a major health hazard and should be assessed by a mold professional. That way you can know the seriousness of the issue and how to proceed with the purchase of the home. Surface mold can be fixed with a thorough cleaning, whereas worser situations may require professional removal and remediation. Number 5, roof issues. Serious roof leaks can lead to other parts of the home becoming damaged, and that includes the foundation. For that type of situation, the seller would generally make the repairs. Side note, damaged ceilings or walls caused by previous leaks may be a great tool for negotiating, as they are considered cosmetic issues. Number 6, HVAC issues. A malfunctioning or inoperable HVAC system is considered a mechanical defect. It should generally be repaired by the sellers. Minor issues such as filter replacements may be left for the buyer to complete. Last but not least, number 7. Beware of major rodent or insect infestations. These unwelcome guests may pose a health and safety concern. While ants and fruit flies aren't that big of a deal, termites, squirrels, bats, etc. can cause major property damage. That damage may raise issues later on. The seller should remediate the issue prior to settling on the home. Well, that is all I have for today's video. If you are in the market to buy, sell, or rent a home in Maryland, let me know. I will reach out to you and explain the process in detail. Now is still an amazing time to purchase a home. Interest rates are still low. First-time homebuyer programs are still thriving. I am still working with a credit repair specialist, so don't let your credit stop you from owning your dream home. Today's video was filmed in a new construction home built by Rivendell Homes. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe, as I do post content often. Thank you again and have an amazing day.